Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my favorite breakfast called Shakshouka. It's a popular Middle Eastern and North African dish that may date back all the way to Ottoman Empire. You'll find it right now in Libya, Tunisia, and it's also becoming a staple dish in Israel as well. Shakshouka is usually a one-pan meal that features poached eggs in a hearty spiced tomato sauce. But this cooking process is usually a little bit complicated, and most people make the mistake by overcooking the egg yolks and undercooking the egg whites. That is why I wanted to show you how you can drastically simplify this amazing dish by using two pans instead of one. One for the sauce and another one for the eggs. This way, even if you're a beginner at cooking, you'll be able to pull off this amazing dish perfect every single time, especially if you want to feed a lot of people and impress your family or guests. So, do you want to learn how to make it? Let's keep watching. Here's the list of all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. The first step is to heat up olive oil in the pan on medium heat. Add half a medium chopped onion and saute for a few minutes until the onions begin to soften. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and continue to saute for another minute. Then add diced bell pepper and again saute for 5 minutes over medium heat until softened. If you own a food processor, it will come in very handy in making this dish. In steps, you can pulse onions, then after you add onions to the pan, you can pulse red bell pepper, and again after adding it to the pan, you can blend all your tomatoes with the rest of the spices. It makes your job a hell of a lot easier. Now let's add blended tomatoes to the pan and give it a mix. If you don't have a food processor to blend your tomatoes, you can just chop them on very small pieces with a sharp knife. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, mix it in, and then we'll add the rest of the spices. That would be 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sweetener like erythritol, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together very well, and when the sauce has reduced in volume, you can remove it from the stove. next step is to cook the eggs. For this, add 2 tablespoons of butter to a large pan and wait until the butter has melted. Now let's carefully add the eggs and cook on low heat until ready. Right now I'm gonna season the eggs with a little bit of salt. Looks like my eggs are ready, so I'm gonna take it off the stove and carefully transfer them to the plate. Now the only thing that is left to do is to spread the sauce over the egg whites, and I'm gonna garnish it with cream cheese and cilantro. But you can also garnish it with feta cheese or goat cheese if you prefer. And instead of cilantro, you can use parsley leaves. I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to make shakshuka. You can't go wrong serving this dish for breakfast or for brunch, and I really hope you'll try it at home and let me know in the comments below how it turned out. And if you're looking for more delicious keto recipes, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!